Again. Thanks, Jonathan.
Alright. So this is my Indian straight from Klaiyi here. This is how it came packaged in this cute little box, and I also got a pair of lashes with it as well. Now, as you're about to see, I have 3 bundles and a frontal. The longest bundle is 26 inches, the closure is 20. So it's 20-inch closure, 22, 24, 20, 22, 24, yeah, and 26, so 4. So now I'm just parting it in this fashion, just a little bit from the front, and then I'm tweezing. Now I'm gonna say this, and I say this in another video. I said this in the video after this, honey. Let me just say this right now, honey. Tweezing takes technique. I don't care what anybody says. Just tweeze from anywhere, honey. I tried tweezing from anywhere last year, and not last, the whole of my frontal, honey. My frontal was thin as hell, so it does take technique. But I'm gonna say this right now as well. Also, you must bleach your closures or your frontal. It's the same step, but you must bleach. How I know that you must bleach? Because for this closure, I did not bleach it. And I knew it would have worked if I had just bleached it. But I didn't. I was like, you know what? I saw a girl use LA Pro Conceal. I'm like, yes, girl. That's what I'm talking about. Nice, cheap, and effective. And like $2, $3. That's my life, honey. It never worked at all. Not a blood cleanse. Never did work. Now I'm gonna say this. Even after I finished this video, I still had to be tweezing this closure. Tweezing takes a lot. And if you look at the different closures that you see on frontals, the tweezing actually it's hella thin at the beginning of the closure or frontal, like hella thin to the point where they're like thinned out bald spots. So I'm going ahead as well. I'm tweezing out at the front. I even went and bought a tweezer for this because the tweezers I have aren't that sharp, and I use them just for applying lashes. I don't use them for tweezing, you know. So now there goes my son in the back being mischievous. So that's the wig that I made with all the hair. I guess I'm going to say how much hair I have left. And this is, I think it's cocoa or whatever, but it's the LA Pro Conceal. And I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the wig after I blend it out. Now, I was just like putting things together, honey. But when it comes to doing this step, you have to have everything like thought out, like meticulously thought out to know exactly what you're going to do when you're doing it. I'm also going to apply the LA Pro Conceal on the frontal as well, but just at the front. I don't know why I didn't apply it everywhere, but I just applied it at the front. But as I said, it works way better when you bleach your closures or even your frontals. And I'm going to be doing a video because I tried bleaching my frontal already and I didn't make it stay on it for long. So I'm going to be doing another video, you guys. I'm gonna just say this to you guys as well. I have no problems showing you guys with me making the mistake. You see, when I come up, y'all are gonna have these videos to look back and I'm be like, you know what, Lyric had no idea what she was doing, honey. Her hair was looking square as a box, honey. Square as a box. Not yet, Baba. I'm making a voiceover soon come. So I'm using Pump It Up to kind of add hair. I was thinking, because the store that I was shop at Vivian's Beauty Supply in Portmore, they didn't have any of the Got To Be, and I was like, why don't I use Pump It Up, girl? The Pump It Up, make it sit down. But it said it looks nice from afar, but up close, and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. I just knew it would have looked so much better if I had just bleached the god darn closure. I mean frontal, honey, closure. Oh, this is my Vanity Planet flat iron, and I have it linked in the description bar. There's like what, 70% off from this closure, from this flat iron or something. It's hella reasonable. This hair, however, you guys, you can't go wrong with Klaiyi hair. I don't. They're to me, they're at the same standard as Ali, Annabelle, as Beauty Forever, and as Longqui. This hair is really good. What I didn't like, and I think I said it in the video as well, is the fact that I actually used the cap that I use. I don't like this cap, and I'm never using this cap again. Give me a good dome cap and I'm good to go. You see how you can still see the frontal, I mean the closure? I don't like that, but this is what it looks like. And again, it's from Klaiyi hair, Indian straight, 26 inches.
Alright guys, so this is my Indian straight 26 inches with a closure, not a frontal, from Klaiyi hair. 100% human hair, which you guys saw in the beginning of the video. You guys saw me tweezing this closure, and let me just say, they make this tweezing thing look so easy. It is not. It is way harder than it looks. and I still have a good amount of tweezing to go. But I really want to come on here and thank Klaiyi here for actually sending me this to review. This is my second time working with them. What I did not like that I used was this wig cap. This wig cap is kind of mesh, and it's my second time using it. What it does though, it makes the hair lay extremely flat. But I don't know if you guys can see, like I'm seeing bumps here. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I probably have to go in with a piece and probably layer it to kind of cover. Now the only thing I have left of this hair is three bundles and front closure, and this is all the hair I have left from it, right? So 3 bundles and the closure, and I could have honestly I love you. Yes, say hi. Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
You have to be quiet now, okay?
Yeah, what's the ice cream? We're not getting ice cream, and then we're going to go to the ice cream place. We're going to get a beautiful, pretty ice cream for you.
Thank you so much. But I'm going to finish filming, okay? I still come.
Yeah.
Right, so this is my second time working with Klaiyi here, to be quite honest with you. I love the customer service of the company. I love how professional they are. I mean, in my last voiceover, y'all heard some unprofessionals and I was met with, honey. Thing got me so riled up. But the hair, as you can see, is amazingly good hair. Let me just stand up for y'all. Show y'all this 26 inches of perfection. I love it, and it doesn't even look thick, even though it's 3 bundles. And the closure, it does not look thick at all, as in it's not like thick heavy. That's what I love about Indian hair. Indian hair gives you the length, it gives you the silkiness, it gives the silky look that you want, and it's just phenomenal. I don't have much to say about this hair. It has been shedding because I cut the waves, how I saw the wig. I cut the waves, cut, come up, and that's why it's laying so flat as well. I see right here at the side. I mean, for this profile, really nice and flat, not bulky at all, and that's because of how I sewed it. Alright, but yeah, so this is it for this video. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Klaiyi, thank you. Klaiyi, honey, thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. Mwah, it is beautiful. I will be featuring this hair again. Not yet, Zama. Wait for me, okay? I will be featuring this hair again, so stay tuned for that. And I want to say, whenever you get hair out of the pack, it will be this silky. It will be this silky. Now the true test is when I wash it and blow dry it and flat iron it again. We're gonna see how it does, how it does. But this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Klaiyi, thank you for sending me this here to review, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks, Jonathan. Bye guys.
Bye guys.